Companies that can make you a millionaire in Jamaica. One of the many ways you can build wealth is by investing in stocks on a stock exchange, and you can do this through what is called a brokerage firm. But what exactly is a stock brokerage firm? What do they do, and why do investors need them? Be sure to stick around until the end to find out, and you also get a list of brokers that are available in Jamaica for you to choose from. So what is a stock brokerage firm? Well, a stock brokerage firm is an institution that executes your stock orders. They are the middleman that connects the buyers and sellers of a stock on a stock exchange. Now let's say you have 10 shares in company X and you want to sell it for $10 per share. And also you have this buyer out there who want to purchase some stocks of company X at $10 per share. You will contact your broker via email, phone call, or you can submit your order by yourself via an online platform. So it's like you're listing your shares on a website for sale for $10 per share. Now on the other hand, there's also a buyer who is going to do the opposite. They're going to go on their platform and submit their order for 10 shares of company X. The brokerage firm is now the middleman who will execute this order. So they are pretty much like real estate brokers, but just instead of brokering houses, they are brokering stocks. So in order for you to buy shares in a company that is listed on the stock exchange, you'd have to open an equity account with one of these brokerage firms that we'll discuss in this video. And also with a stock brokerage firm, you'll also have the ability to buy securities like bonds, mutual funds, and also unit trusts. However, these might require separate accounts with the broker. When selecting a broker, here are 5 key areas you need to consider. 1. The minimum opening balance. 2. The brokerage commission rate. 3. The ease of adding funds to that equity account. 4. The customer service which they provide. Number 5. The ease of executing transaction. This is how easy it is for you to buy and sell your stocks. Now, opening an investing account is really similar to opening a savings account. And guys, almost all deposit-taking institutions have a brokerage firm attached to them. So in order to open your equity account, all brokers will require the following piece of information: a valid piece of ID. This can be your driver's license, your national ID, and your passport. In some cases, a broker may require 2 pieces of ID. Next on the list is your tax registration number or TRN. If you're an international client like a US citizen, you will need your social security number. And yes, if you are from the Caribbean, you can also open an equity account in Jamaica. I'll leave a link in the description below and how you can get that done. Number 3, proof of address. Documents that you can use for this are a utility bill, a bank statement, or a postmarked envelope showing your current permanent address. Number 4, proof of income or source of funds. This can be like a payslip no older than 3 months, as well as remittance receipts. Anything that can validate your income from legal means. And number 5, to reference. This can be like a JP or principal of a school that is registered with the Ministry of Education. There are over 10 different brokers you can choose from. And yes, you heard that correctly, over 10 different brokers. So on a monthly basis, you need to find one of these brokers and give them their money and let them manage it for you, or you invest it yourself. So number 1 on the list, we have NCB Capital Markets. If you already have an NCB online account, you can open an investing account with few steps online. No minimum account is required, and you can also buy stocks directly from your savings account. When you're ready, you can always transfer from your savings account directly to your equity account. I will leave a link in the description on how you can do all of this step by step. You also have the option to link your account to the JTrader platform using your JCSD number to purchase stocks as well. Next on the list, we have JMMB. To open an account with JMMB, you will need to visit the nearest branch. To open this account, you will need a minimum of $10,000. This doesn't mean you need $10,000 to invest upfront. From personal experience, opening an account with JMMB is relatively easy. The only disadvantage I have with the Moneyline platform is that I am not able to see profit and loss of my investments. I don't want to sound too redundant now, so what I'm going to do is give you the remaining brokers and the minimum account required to open an account. Number 3, Barita Investments Limited. Minimum account required $25,000. Number 4, JN Fund Managers Limited with a minimum amount of $10,000. Number 5, MVL Stockbrokers Limited. For this broker, no minimum account is required. Number 6, Sagicor Investment. Minimum amount of funds required is $500. Number 7, Victoria Mutual Wealth Management. Minimum amount of funds required is $10,000. Number 8, Credit Union Fund Management. No minimum amount is required for this broker. Number 9, Ideal Group of Companies. For this broker again, no minimum amount is required. Number 10, Stocks and Securities Limited, also known as SSL. They have a minimum amount required of $150,000. Number 11, Proven Wealth with a minimum amount of $200,000. Number 12, GK Capital with a minimum opening balance of 500,000 Jamaican dollars. And last but not least, we have Mayberry Investments Limited with a minimum balance of $1 million Jamaican dollars. And if you're a beginner, you don't have to worry too much about selecting stocks, as most of these brokerage firms have advisors that can assist you with selecting individual stocks. Also, when you're opening your account, make sure you ask your broker for an email or fax indemnity form as well as a JTrader disclosure form. This will allow you to 1. Email your broker and tell them you want to buy or sell a stock, and 2. With the JTrader disclosure form, it allows you to link your JCSD number to the JTrader platform. Now, the JTrader platform is powered by the Jamaica Stock Exchange. This is a platform which allows clients the ability to conduct their own trades on the JSE platform within their own time and space. Doing this will eliminate you contacting your broker each time to place an order for a stock. For more information in making an informed decision and selecting a broker, you can always visit KalilaReynolds.com and subscribe to our mailing list, and you'll get a broker guide which will also help you to make a more informed decision on which broker is best for you. Thank you for watching.